How to observe Radha Ashtami? Radha Ashtami is a very special day for the Gaudiya Vaishnavas as by obtaining the mercy of Srimati Radharani, one can easily achieve Krishna Prem. Srimati Radharani appeared on the 8th day of the bright fortnight Shukra Paksh Ashtami in the month of Bhadra, August or September. Srimati Radharani is the mother of the entire universe and the spiritual mother of all souls. She mercifully engages and escorts all the living beings in the loving dedication service to the Supreme Father Lord Krishna. Devotees observe fasting, nirjal without water, jalahar only water, falahari eating fruits, dry fruits, eating non-grains and non-pulses, start the first from sunrise and break the fast at noon. Adali do nirjal without water fast, but if fasting is too difficult, if it's first time fasting, then have non-grain food just like how we follow Ekasi. We break the fast at noon by consuming grains prasadam. Chant extra rounds of Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Recite Shri Radha Kripa Kataksh Stotram Radha Ashtakam Sri Radhika Stava. Recite Brahma Gita found in Srimad Bhagavat 10th verse 47 Shlok 12th verse 21 Shlok. Offer Puspanjali and pray to Srimati Radharani that, O Radharani, kindly be merciful and tell your Krishna about me. Radharani's favorite food is arbi, taro root, also called guhiya. Prepare arbi dish and offer to Radharani, Radha Krishna. Srimati Radharani is expert in all the fine arts and her transcendental form is like an ocean of nectar. Her splendid bodily luster is like the yellow pigment groxna, molten gold, or stationary lightning. She wears wonderfully beautiful blue garments and she is decorated with various pearls and flowers. She is very beautiful and she has a very long braided hair. She is decorated with a garland of flowers and a beautiful pearl necklace. Her splendid forehead is decorated with the red pigment sindoor and with beautiful locks of curling hair. Decorated with blue bangles, her defeated Cupid's staff with their beauty. Her nose is as beautiful as a sesame flower, and it is nicely decorated with a pearl. She is anointed with various perfumes. She is splendidly beautiful. Srimati Radharani is the ideal Mahabhagavat as the greatest devotee. She is also the most compassionate. She is unable to bear the suffering of the souls trapped in the material world. When a soul starts to inquire about Krishna, Srimati Radharani is most pleased and takes charge of his devotional advancements. Radharani Pranam Mantra. तप्त कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदावेश्वरी वृषभानु सुते देवी प्रणमामि हरि प्रिय. O Srimati Radharani, I offer my respects to you, whose bodily complexion is like molten gold. O goddess, you are the queen of Vrindavan. You are the daughter of King Vrishabhanu and are very dear to Lord Krishna. Srila Rupa Goswami has given us comprised of the names of Krishna beloved. Those who read these songs become free of all troubles, recipients of good fortunes, and attend the divine couple's eternal service. He who reads this confidential prayer, which bears the title Anand Chandrika, the moonlight of bliss, and which is beautiful with 10 names of the Queen of Vrindavan, become free of all troubles and decorated with great good fortune. He quickly becomes the object of Sri Radha Madhav mercy. 10 names of Srimati Radharani: Radha Damodar, Preshta Radhika, Varsabhanavi, Samast Vallavi Vranda, धाम मिलोत्सव मल्लिका कृष्ण प्रियावली मुख्य गंधर्व ललिता सखी विशाखा सख्या साखिनी हरि हरद भृंग मंजरी इमाम वृंदावनेश्वर्याय दशा नाम मनोरमा आनंद चंद्रिकम नामा यो रहस्यम स्तुतिम पठेत सा क्लेश रहितो भूत्वा भूरि सौभाग्य भूषितम त्रवितम करुणा Patram Radha Madhayor Bhavet. 10 names of Srimati Radharani. Radha, she who is dear to Lord Damodar, his greatest worshipper, the daughter of King Vishwanu. she who is the crowning garland of Mallika flower on the decorated braided hair of all the gopis, the first of Krishna beloved, an expert singer and musician, Lalita's friend, she who is delighted with the friendship of Vishakha, the flower blossom that attracts the black bumblebee of Lord Hari's heart.